Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be sharing with you guys my everyday simple quick makeup look for you guys. You guys dropping off the kids to school, or you're on the way to work, or you're on the way to a meeting, or have time to put your makeup on. This video is actually for you guys. It's all affordable makeup products for my everyday look, so you guys can save some money. You guys wanted to find out how I did my everyday simple and quick look? Please keep on watching. Okay, after I prep my skin, I put my hair up and put any accessories on. I'm gonna start with my brows, and I'll be using the Maybelline Ultra Slim in deep brown. Setting my brows with MCO Beauty brow gel in the light brown. My brows with a pencil when I'm putting my makeup every day, because I want my brows to look more natural. Setting my brows, just making sure they're going to be in place the whole day. With the primer, I'll be using the LA Girl Pro Prep, and with this primer, this primer actually helps my makeup to last longer throughout the day. Most of the days I'm not wearing foundation, but instead I'm wearing a CC cream from Physicians Formula. It's actually so that's how it looks like there. You can get this from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. Originally I've actually bought this from Priceline, but they're no longer keeping this particular product, so this is actually the only one that works for me. Actually haven't find any BB cream or any other CC cream that actually works for my skin. I mean, I find with the BB cream, they tend to get really greasy on your skin, which I don't really like. Also, the shade that I've got is the light medium. I believe they only have light or light medium shade. So this, it says on this packaging, it actually helps with the age spots. It actually helps to correct your age spots, dark circles, blemishes, dullness, uneven skin tone, redness, discoloration, fine lines, wrinkles, and signs of fatigue. So this is actually a really good CC cream. Oh, don't forget under your chin. My concealer. So I'll be using the my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and in the shade light. I'll be using the Fit Me loose powder in the shade, what shade is it? In the shade Fair Light. I'll be using my Tin Lazy puff sponge, and I just want to make sure that, so I'm just setting this on my T-zone and also on my eyelid. I'll be using this Rimmel Coral Glow. So it's got your on the top, you've got your highlighter, you got your bronzer, and then you've got your blush. Go with this particular palette because it's already got everything I needed for my face. And and it's a multi-use. So I'm just gonna bronze my face just to give a little bit of depth. My forehead. I mean the bronze, it can be matte or it can be a little bit sheen to it, but I like my bronzing to be matte. I love this palette from Rimmel because I don't know if you guys can see, it's already giving me that that really healthy glow looking. I always contour my nose like really. Okay, I'm just gonna tidy up here just by pressing here, just making sure there's no harsh lines. Highlighter, which is on top, and it's just on the higher points on my cheek, above my brows, and on my nose, on my cupid's bow. Blush. This blush is not really like really orangey color. It actually blends really well on the on that contour shade that I use it as a bronzer. So it's really nice. So with the eyes, I'll be using the same palette. So shade here, and okay, I'm just using my my makeup blending brush just to blend this all over my eyelid in a circular motion. Nice. So that then it will balance out. Shade, I'll be putting this on my lid and just blending it out, just making sure everything is seamless. I'll be curling my lashes. I don't have long lashes, so I always have to curl and put mascara on my lashes. Store mascara, which is the Essence Lash Princess in the green. I'm also doing my lower lashes. I'll be applying false lashes. It's just for the sake of this video. Otherwise, I don't wear lashes every day. The highlighter shade on my inner corner, on my T-duct. Okay. Using my two combination lip liner and the liquid lipstick. So the lip liner from Rimmel and the liquid lipstick from Colourpop, which is the it's called Bumble. So for the setting spray, I'll be using the Morphe one, and it's it's very important that you need to set your face so your makeup lasts longer throughout the day. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope I've actually helped you today. Please comment down below if you've got any other suggestions, if what video you want to watch next, and also I would like to know also what is your everyday makeup look. Very much for everyone that subscribed on my channel. If you haven't subscribed on my channel, please subscribe now, and please don't forget to click the bell, and please don't forget to like and share my video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Love you guys.